another episode of Gardener Gone Wild with special guest, the Wild Gardener! Yay! So he's come to inspect all the monsters today.
Of course.
Hey, and see how much they've grown.
Yep.
The little dragons are over here. Aren't they big?
Hello, little big dragons.
And good morning to you, Miss Evie. Hello, darling. And look at these rambunctious little monsters.
Oh, wow.
Look, these. Come pet them. Go and have a. Just let them come up and little nibble your fingers.
Fingers.
Let's see. There we go. Nibbly fingers.
Nothing better than ducks nibbling your fingers.
Yay! Aren't they funny? Hey, Nibblies. They're really going to town on you. Wiggle your fingers. They like the wiggly fingers. That one's Angelus.
Jealous.
Yep. Pretty naughty. That little one over there is Minnie.
Little one over here.
This is Smoothie. Hey. And this little one is Snowflake.
Snowflake.
And you are a monkey. Have to come up with a name for you. Hey, Cheeky.
Big black one here.
Yep, and we're going to think of a name for this little one.
Hey.
So, have they grown much since you were here?
I think that question is certainly yes.
Aren't they lovely?
They are.
I think I heard a guinea pig fart.
Guinea pig fart.
Yeah, a guinea pig farted.
Hey, Misty.
Good morning, Misty. Oh!
Good night, Misty.
Oh dear. Right, I've got to get cleaning. It's that time of day again.
Oh wow.
We've had a bit of a late morning because this one slept in and I just needed a cup of tea first. And we leave these little monsters to be monstering. What are you doing down there? Trying to get the... What are you doing? Hey! Oh, look at them trying to get the grass.
Oh.
No! Oh, you, Minnie!
No.
Minnie! Naughty Smoothie.
Naughty Smoothie.
Oh God! Look at you lot! See, did you hear that? Guinea pig fart.
Sure, it's not Miss Evie.
No. Are you farting? No.
Must be the guineas.
Must be the guineas. Hey? Must be the guineas. Whoa. Whoa. Hey, monsters. Monster cam.
Monster cam.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, it has.
Yeah.
Hello, camera. I think it's still going.
Oh shit. Oh god. That's right. I don't know. Okay. Oh well. This way. Oh, you could do that all the time. Okay, how about we pull it forward a bit? 'Cause it's
it.
Look at these mucky bubbies. You wouldn't believe that was clean water before, would you? No. Alright, sweethearts. Bye. And you.
Goodbye.
For now.
And I guess it's the usual stuff. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, leave us a comment if you're interested in commenting. And that's all for now.
See you next time.
On